Hi guys, if you have TikTok and you're addicted to it, or you have YouTube and you watch TikToks on YouTube, or you have friends that send you TikToks, then you know that a lot of people are getting bangs. And so I tried multiple ways to see what I would look like in them. This is what I came up with. It's a little too thick, right? But anyway, I didn't want to cut my hair because I knew I'd mess it up. So I bought a pair on Amazon. So I'll link that below. This is what it looks like. This is what it came as. It comes with these like side parts, which I really like. Only thing I don't like is that if you look at it, it kind of just, it slants, right? So then it makes me think I have to like buy a straightener, and that's like $15, and stimulus check. Don't really want to buy it. My hair already is pretty straight. It actually came with a headband so that you can like cover this part once you put it in. And this one, unlike others, only comes with one clip. So it should not be too hard to get on. So basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my glasses off. Right, and then I'm gonna part my hair. I'm gonna brush it out real quick. It's getting a little too long. Now that our hair is brushed, what I'm going to do is take just a little bit of hair from the front, right, and then pop it, and we want it like this, so we're gonna have to push it forward into the hair, if that makes any sense. So I'm pushing. I think that's a little too, you kinda just gotta play with it, see where it lands. Basically that's it. Oh god, no. Alright, fail. Now I'm gonna try and, that was too far back. Is that good? Maybe right there is good, I think. Yeah, like right by that brow line. There we go. Okay. So that actually hurts up here now, because what I did was I pulled the hair really tight, and then I like pushed it in while I was pulling it back to make sure it clipped onto something. But anyway, that step, whatever. And then we're gonna take the headband. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Hear me out. Now we're just gonna take a little bit of hair from the side, right? Ignore all that mess, to frame it, because we want to frame our face. That's what, can't even find the part of the bang I'm trying to talk about. That's what this was for. All right, and then one last little brush out, shake them bangs, style as you please. All done. And then put on my glove. Oh my, that's a whole nother look. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna have to be blind when I wear bangs. Let me know if you like this look or not. I might try and get different glasses that are less that, more that. So oversized glasses, see if that kind of completes the look. Does it not look sort of natural? Not really, I don't know. All I know is I'd have to cut my hair. So yeah, I'm trying to think of anything to make this more interesting. I could show you a dance I was trying to learn on TikTok, since we're sort of on that topic. It goes like this. And that's it. It's really easy. You're kind of just going like this. So you start with your right hand, and it's like so 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna go to that side because his arm is up. So you go like, I know some people kind of just do it like this, but like if you want to like go into it a little bit more, you can. So you just go and then you just do the same thing. Other side, down, side, and then I just go anyway. If that dance was in there, it means I watched it back and didn't cringe a lot. Or I did cringe a lot and wanted you to see. Okay, bye.
I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find?